Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the world of portable power with the Jackery Explorer 300, touted as one of the best battery-powered portable generators on the market. At just 7.1 pounds, the Explorer 300 packs a punch with its 293 watt-hours lithium-ion battery, offering reliable power wherever you go. But what sets it apart? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about speed. With its rapid recharge capability, you can juice up to 80% of the battery in just 2 hours using the wall outlet or the 60WPD USB-C port. Talk about convenience. And versatility? The Explorer 300 doesn't disappoint. It features 2 AC outlets, a PD60W USB-C port, a fast charge 3.0 port, a USB-A port, and a DC car port, allowing you to power up to 6 devices simultaneously. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a blackout, the Explorer 300 has got you covered. Its compact design and lightweight make it perfect for outdoor adventures, while its stable 300W power output ensures a safe and steady power supply. But what about green power? Pair it with the Jackery Solar Saga 100 solar panel, and you've got yourself an eco-friendly power solution. The integrated MPPT controller optimizes solar power utilization, speeding up the battery recharge. In conclusion, the Jackery Explorer 300 is a game-changer in the world of portable power. With its fast recharge, versatile ports, and eco-friendly features, it's the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay powered up.